This free tutorial will show you how to export a transparent video in Adobe After Effects CC completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to export a transparent video in Adobe After Effects, drag the video clip or video that you would like to export as a transparent video in Adobe After Effects. And then you want to drag it down below. As you can see, we now have the video clip, and this is what we want to export as transparent. Now click the second option down below, render queue, and then now you want to drag your video clip down in the render queue. And then basically under render settings, click right here where it says best settings, and you want to make sure that the quality, if you click the drop down arrow, is best, resolution full, and then click OK. And then underneath best settings, you want to click lossless, which is next to output name, still under render queue. And then you want to change this where it says main options, change the format to whatever it is you would like, QuickTime, post render action, we'll leave that to none. And then video output, you want to click right here, drop down arrow under channels, RGB, click RGB plus alpha, and then leave everything the same. Okay, and then locate your output name where you want to save this to, and then click render right here. And now, as you can see, we have our original video, and then we have our newly exported transparent video in Adobe After Effects CC completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.